It's a good afternoon here in Uganda, Africa. Please, we have this recipe which is a one pot and quick recipe of the day. We have here our goat's meat. These are our pots which we are going to use. We have two pots. We are going to divide our meat into two. So please stay tuned and watch the video until the end. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome, and the returning ones, please continue supporting the channel so that the channel grows. We have zucchini, there is red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, ginger and garlic. There is also carrots. These are onions. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our stew. Is a goat stew. We are going also to add in some other ingredients and then some other spices like beef curry. There is black pepper. There is turmeric. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our goat stew. A healthy stew of the day. We have also beans. We'll be including beans to our stew, so stay tuned. It's a very healthy stew. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end. So let's organize. These are the ingredients. We have onions, this is the zucchini, we have garlic, ginger paste, there is red pepper, yellow and green pepper, we have also carrots, remember we have white beans. We are going also to add them all together. So stay tuned, please. This is our recipe which is healthy. Stew, this is salt, it is cooking oil, we are going to add in water and cover. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end. It's a healthy recipe of the day. Our stew is almost. We are going to pair our stew with matoke. So that's what we are going to enjoy with our meat, goat stew. Let's prepare our matoke. We are not going to mash our matoke. We are going to enjoy it the way it is. So let's boil. After boiling our matoke, we'll be pairing our matoke with our goat stew, a 1-pot stew. So stay tuned and watch our video until the end. Those are green banana, which we call matoke here in Uganda, Africa. So stay tuned. Let's cook our lunch. Matoke here cooking. Yeah, matoke is here cooking well. This is green banana. As you can see, our matoke is now ready. We are going to serve our lunch. So stay tuned. This is our matoke. It's green banana. We are not going to mash it. Today we are eating it this way. So stay tuned. Let's serve our lunch. Food is now ready, please. Let's serve. This is how we are going to enjoy. This is how we are going to enjoy our lunch. Yes, banana, what we call matoke here in Uganda, Africa, please. This is our lunch. We have also our goat stew, which is a mixture of this is our goat stew. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome. And the returning ones, we really appreciate. This is what we are going to enjoy. See you. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. This is our goat stew, which is a mixture of different veggies. We've added also some beans. So let's go enjoy our lunch. See you in the next video. Bye bye.